Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to sort this by string length. So you can see we have a bunch of random data here, and I want all of the single characters to come first, and then the longer strings to come at the end, such as hello. So let's see if you can figure out how to do this using the knowledge we talked about in the previous video. Give it a try, and now I'm going to show you the solution. So we can say random.sort, and this can take a key. So we say key equal, and then len. So the len function, that's going to give you the length of the string, and then that's going to be used to determine what order to sort this data. So running this after, we can say print random, run it, and you can see it works. Another thing is that you can use the key inside of the sorted function as well if you prefer. So I'll show you that now. We'll get rid of this here, pass in random to sorted, and then key is len for the length. Run this and it works.